Hello everybody, welcome. Uh, our partnership, our shareholder, our agency, all the customer new client under global. I'm Dr.Charles Kim, CEO of European Prestamo Group Company Limited in Brussels, Hong Kong, Frankfurt. Welcome very much. Today, I can roughly lecturing to you money market. Money market is a short-term financial market. Short-term financial market over there, several market, normally 5 market. The money market is a component of economic that provide a short-term fund. The money market deal is a short-term loan, short-term loan, generally for the maximum period of 1 year or less. Normally, from 1 day to the 1 year is a short-term financial market. This is money market. As a short-term security, it became a commodity. The money market became a component of a financial market for assets involved in the short-term borrowing, lending, buying, and selling original maturity of 1 year or less. Maximum 1 year is meaning the trade in the market, the money market is done over the count and is wholesale. Normally speaking, this is the trade exchange over there too. Is no over the counter is the call market is repo market. CD market is the through the trade desk. Maybe share in the CD I buy and also we can share in the buying trade desk. And asset-backed commercial paper market and asset-backed electric short-term bond market. Like this one normally is the trade exchange over there. Some countries there is no trade exchange. Only Abcp is the through the over the market. There is several money market instrument in the most Western country, including of treasury bill. Treasury bill is the the USA is within 1 year on the treasury bill. Treasury bill is belong to the 1 year. Maybe treasury note is the 2 years to 10 years. This is a different one. This is already belong to the long-term financial market. And also, treasury bond is the 10 years to the 30 years. You understand? This is the long-term financial market share and buying. And the commercial paper, bank acceptance, deposit, certificate of deposit, bill of exchange, repurchase agreement, federal fund, and short-lived mortgage. Short-lived mortgage like this, maybe 6 months mortgage, share and buying, and asset-backed security, this ABS. The instrument bear different maturity, currency, credit risk. And structure, and a market can be described as a money market if it's composed of a highly liquid, quickly liquid, and the short-term asset. Money market fund typically invest in the government security. Certificate of deposit. Certificate deposit is your money, and also you can buy a discount, maybe 1 year's 5% discount of certificate deposit from your bank. And the commercial paper of company, this is CP, and the others are highly liquid and low risk security. This is very low risk of security, especially in the treasury bill, USA treasury bill, like this low risk, never risk like this one. This is a stable asset. And for most relevant type of the money are the commodity money, the fiat money, commodity money, fiat money, fiduciary money. Fiduciary money is the check and the banknote, like the bank draft, bank check, like this one is the fiduciary money. And also commercial bank money. Commercial bank money, sometimes commercial bank check, like this. Commodity money is rely on the intrinsically is a value of commodity that is act as a medium of exchange fiat money. On the other hand, get its value from the government order. Money market, which is provide the liquidity for the the global financial system, including for the capital market, the part of the board system of financial market. Financial market is participant. Who is the participant? Who are participants of the money market? Money market consists of the financial institution and the dealer in money or credit who wish to either borrow or lend. You know, the 1 year's maybe coal market is one night market. Who is the lender? Who is the borrower? Maybe your bank is the big shortage of money. In this case, okay, no problem. One night I pay, but how much later? Tomorrow, maybe 9 o'clock. Maybe this afternoon, 4 o'clock, I need the 500 million US dollar. You understand? And tomorrow we will return to the maybe PM is 500 million US dollar return to like this. This is one night call, huh? And the certain financial instrument money call is paper. You understand? Commonly called paper. This is a contract with the capital market for the long-term funding, which is the supplied by the bond and the equity. Bond and the stock. Equity is stock. Huh? Bond and stock is the long-term financial market. Short-term financial market is different one. Huh? It's a paper. Paper money comes share and buying. This is the paper. The core of money market consists of the interbank lending. Bank, this is core, and the bank borrowing and lending to each other using of the commercial paper. Repurchase agreement. Repurchase agreement is central bank to commercial bank sell and buying of the repo. This is repo market, and also similar instrument. These instruments are often the benchmarked. What they call is priced by Repo to the London interbank operator, Repo. Repo is already cancelled in the Eurobora for the appropriate term and currency. Financing company typically fund themselves by using large amount of asset-backed commercial paper. This is Abcp, which is secured by the pledge of eligible asset into the asset-backed conduit. For example of eligible asset, including of the auto loan. You understand auto loan? Auto loan is the car loan. Credit card receivable. Credit card receivable. Auto loan is you already sell to the installment of car, and also there is maybe 1 month sell out 10,000, and also you can maybe 36 months is installment receivable, and the car is maybe credit card, maybe 1 year's installment receivable, 2 years receivable, like this one. Residential and commercial mortgage loan, mortgage-backed security, like this one, and also similar financial assets. Some large corporation with a strong credit rating issue commercial paper on their own credit. You know, the credit is their own credit. Some is the credit exposure and the credit reinforcement. You understand? And other large corporation arrange for the bank to issue up the commercial paper on their behalf. You know, their own credit is issue up the commercial paper, and also sell to and the money. You know, change the money, fiat currency, and also this is paid for the maybe construction contract like this one. In the United States, the federal and the state and the local government all issue of paper to meet fund need to the state and the local government issue municipal paper. Municipal bond. Municipal paper is the bond maybe. 1 year's bond, municipal paper is the paper. Maybe 2 years bond is already different. This is bond. You understand? Bond and paper is a different one. But normally speaking, is the belong to the short-term financial market of the 1 day to the 1 years. After 1 year, this is the paper. While the USA Treasury issue of a Treasury bill is for 1 year's Treasury bill. To fund in the USA public, this is public debt. Maybe public debt is the federal government public debt and the municipal government public debt, same, And the trading company opened the purchase bank acceptance to the tender for payment of overseas supplier, and retail and institutional money market fund, bank, central bank, cash management program, merchant bank, function. Money market function. Money market is serve 5 function to financing trader, financing industry, investor profitable, enhance commercial bank, self-sufficiency, and lubricate central bank policy. You know, central bank is sometimes they are tightening. You understand? It's the quantitative tightening and the quantitative easing. You understand? And also reserve amount control, pay out reserve of control like this. This is the lubricate central bank policy. You understand? Financing trader, money market play of the crucial role in financing domestic and the international trader. Commercial financing is made available to the trader through the bill of exchange. Bill of exchange is the international bill of exchange with maybe like this one, it's a local bill of exchange, and which are the discounted by the bill market, acceptance house, and the discount market help in the financing foreign trader, the financing industry. Okay. The money market is contributed to the growth of industrial in 2 ways. Number one is they help industry secure the short-term loan to meet their working capital requirement through the system of financing bill, commercial paper, etc. Second is industry generally need long-term loan, which are provided in the capital market. However, the capital market depend upon the nature of and the condition in the money market. The short-term interest rate of money market influence the long-term interest rate of the capital market. Thus, therefore, the money market is directly help the industry through its link with and influence on the long-term financial market. Long-term financial and the short-term financial here, you know, maybe this is the operation twister. Operation twister, you know very well. Is the short-term financial market interest rate and the long-term financial market interest. Normally speaking, the economists they say is a short-term financial market interest rate is the lower than long-term financial international market. But the before come in, maybe now is the come on the way to the depression of the economic cycle. You understand? In this case, people come into the recession, great recession. Sometimes is the short-term financial market interest rate is higher than long-term financial interest rate. In this case, what we call is the economic terminology is operation twister. You know, the twister. The profitable investment. The money market enable commercial bank to use their excess reserve profitable investment. The main objective of a commercial bank is to earn income from its reserve as well as maintain liquidity to meet the uncertain cash demand of its depositor. In the money market, the short-term financial market is excess reserve of commercial bank are invested to near money asset. What we call is the short-term bill of exchange. Bill of exchange, long-term bill, short-term bill of exchange, which are easily converted into cash. Short-term bill of exchange, short-term is very easy to, very high liquid item. You understand? Thus, commercial bank earn the profit without sacrificing liquidity. You understand? But higher, a little high interest rate give them and very easy to the liquidizing of the maybe short-term bill of exchange. Self-sufficient of commercial bank. Develop the money market, help commercial banks to become self-sufficient. in an emergency, when commercial bank have a scarcity of fund, maybe shortage of their fund, they need not to approach the central bank and borrow at the higher interest rate. Sometimes central bank is high interest rate, you understand. But the central bank is very strict. They can talking too much because of that a little pay higher interest rate and they can raising of fund from the short-term financial market. They can instead meet their requirement by the recalling their old short-term loan from the money market. Help to central bank. Though the central bank can function and influence the bank system in absence of market, money market, the extension of the developed money market smooths the functioning and the increasing of the efficiency of the central bank. The money market is the operating, sometimes quantitative easy. The quantitative easy is the same as the within 7 days of the maturity, 7 days. 1 day to the 7 days they can buy. You understand? Central bank buy up the treasury bill, treasury bond, treasury note, treasury bond like this, buying. And also they can money. Money is the scattering to the commercial bank. You understand? Sometimes is the money of buy up the investment bank too. Is the in principle, normally speaking, is the quantitative easy. You know, the quantitative easy. They can buy up the public bond, but sometime in USA is they can buy up the corporate bond, private bond. Minimum is the A plus grade. Short-term interest rate serve as an indication of money, monetary and the banking condition in the country. In this way, is a guide the central bank to the adopt of the appropriate banking policy. Sensitive and integrated money market help the central bank secure quick and widespread influence on the server market, thus facilitating effective policy of implementation. Understand? Instrument, certificate of deposit. This certificate deposit is a kind of bank instrument. Time deposit, common offered of the consumer by the bank, thrift institution, and credit union. Thrift institution and credit union like this one, they can issue too. And repurchase agreement. Repurchase agreement is very important one. Is a quantitative easy or quantitative tightening. Short-term loan normally for the less than a weeks, and frequently for the 1 day arranged by the selling securities to an investor with an agreement to repurchase them a fixed price and the fixed date. You understand? Maybe okay. Today you can buy my treasury bond, 10 billion. Okay, and tomorrow fixed date. Tomorrow we will buy back. You understand? This is a repurchase. Central bank, you understand? The commercial bank, they can do during the quantitative easy and the quantitative tightening. Money market mutual fund, short-term investment debt and operated by the professional institution. Money market is mutual fund or an investment fund where a number of investors invest their money in the mutual fund institution and they diversified of the fund in various investment. Commercial paper. This is Abcp, asset-backed commercial paper. Short-term instrument promissory note. This is the short-term instrument promissory note issued by the company at the discount to face value and redeemed at the face value. Redeemed at face value. Maybe now is a discount 5 billion of the maybe the commercial paper. Okay, in 6 months we will buy back the face value 5 billion. Now is a discount, maybe you can buy of our commercial paper is the 4 billion like this. This is through the over the counter negotiable of the rely on the credit rating of your commercial paper. Euro dollar deposit made in US dollar at the bank or bank branch located outside of United States. The federal agency short-term security. Federal agency short-term security in the USA, short-term security issued by the government-sponsored enterprise such as the Farm Credit System and the Federal Home Loan Bank and the Federal National Mortgage Association. Money market is a heavily used function. Federal fund in USA is interest bearing deposit held by the bank and other depository institution at the Federal Reserve. These are the immediately available fund that the institution borrow or lend, usually on the overnight basis. This is one night call. They are lent for the federal fund rate. Understand? One night call, 2 night call, 3 night call. And the municipal note is bond. Maybe municipal bill is the 1 year. Municipal note is the 2 years to 10 years. Bond is the same as the 10 years to 30 years. In the USA, short-term note issued by municipality and anticipation of a tax receipt or other revenue, treasury bill, short-term debt obligation of the national government, the federal government, that are the issued on the national 3 to 12 months. This is the treasury bill. 3 months, 6 months, maybe 9 months, 12 months, like this treasury. Treasury fund, money fund, pooled short-term maturity and high quality investment by money market security on behalf of the retail or institutional investor. Foreign exchange swap. Exchange set up the currency in spot data and also the reversal of exchange currency at the predetermined time in the future. Short-term LIBOR mortgage, and asset-backed security. Discount and accrual instrument. There is 2 types of instrument. Fixed income market that pay interest at the maturity instead of the coupon discount instrument, and the accrual instrument. Discount instrument. Accrual instrument is a discount instrument and also coupon payment instrument. Different one. Like repurchase agreement are issued at the discount face value. Their maturity value is the face value. You know, maybe like this. Okay, 3 days. Now is I have like this repurchase. Now you can purchase my maybe. Face value is 10 billion, but the 9.5 billion, 9.5 billion, and maybe after 3 days, we can pay for the 10 billion. This is like this. Accrual. This is accrual instrument issued at the face value. Maturity date is face value is plus interest rate. Pay for that. This is bond is too much kind. You understand? Interbank lending market, liquidity crisis. And the money fund, money market account, money supplier, demand for the money, liquidity preference, overnight market, sweep account. This is normally speaking money market, but the money market is the number one. The number one is the call market. Call market, 1 night call, 2 night call, 3 night call, 5 night call, 7 night call. Maybe 10-day call, 15-day call, 30-day call, like this, maximum 90-day call. But this call is 1 day is much higher. And the repurchase market, already explained to you. And also the deposit of certificate of deposit, CD market. And another is Abcp market, asset-backed commercial paper market, and also asset-backed electronic short-term bond market. This is normally use of it. But the treasury bill is the maybe 3 months treasury bill, maybe 6 months treasury bill, 9 months treasury bill, maybe 12 months treasury bill. Within 1 year, so this treasury bill, this is the same kind of. Because of that, if you maybe enroll in our curriculum courseware, money market, you understand? Money market is the money market fund enter world of risk, how to do, and study on the identification of Euro money market and the USA money market in target 2. You understand? Target 2 is the credit transfer, and the credit transfer to you. But you should buy up credit. Credit is cheaper than money, you understand? But they can, this credit is put into pleasure, and also you can take borrow money from the bank. You understand? This is the target 2. Maybe target 2 is a different maybe lecturing courseware. The target 2 is minimum 3 months. It will take 3 months target 2 time. Thank you very much. I'm DR.Charles Kim, Professor Kim, from the CEO of European Prestam Group Company Limited in Frankfurt, Brussels, Hong Kong. Thank you very much. God bless you and your family. Thank you.